Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna pull a prank on my mom, and this is gonna be so hilarious. So I got a speaker right here, and I have a phone right here. And I'll explain in a minute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this speaker outside, and I'm just gonna play a bunch of car horns, and I'm gonna make them really loud. I'm gonna put like right next to my mom, and we're gonna see how she reacts. I'm pretty sure she's gonna be pissed. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go outside. We're gonna put the speaker somewhere by the, because like she's downstairs in the kitchen right now. I don't know what she's doing, but we'll figure it out. And we're gonna put it by the kitchen. We'll just play a bunch of sounds, and we'll just see if she goes outside and just what the fuss is about. So I got a phone. I got the phone right here. If y'all can currently see, this is actually my old. This is my old phone right now. I can tell y'all before, like I said, that it can go completely cracked, which is exactly what happened. Y'all can probably see right there why it's completely cracked. But it's really like, I've really been trying to hook up the speaker to my phone, but apparently there's some problems, like I really couldn't get it to connect. So I decided to do it on this phone since it's a little bit easier since it's already connected. So I decided to do that. And yeah, so besides, I need to use my phone to film, because this is the only way I can film. So let's get this prank started. Let's get it. Guys, I'm gonna go downstairs right now. You have to be quiet. And we're gonna go outside the front door. We're gonna put some things in there. I'm gonna make sure that this is loud because these horns are gonna play. Okay, Alright. So we're outside right now. Now we're gonna now I'm gonna go put the speakers in there. But I gotta she's like, cause there's a window right here that looks into the kitchen. She can probably see right there. She's not right here. So we're gonna put this extra phone right here. We're just gonna put the speaker right here. The problem is, I hope the speaker still stays connected, because sometimes it gets disconnected if it's for ours. We're just gonna have to see if it's still connected. Okay, so yeah, it's right here. So now we're just gonna. Okay, so we got the speaker right here, and my mom usually works just because she's like right there. She usually works right where that window is, and we're gonna try. So I'm just gonna play loud sounds. All right, now we're gonna go back inside now, and we're gonna see what happens. I'm pretty sure she's gonna get pissed. But the speaker's hidden right there. I'm pretty sure, like, I don't think she would expect anything. So we're just gonna put this phone in my pocket right now, so that way she doesn't know. Actually, no, I'm gonna go in the front door, because I still need to know if this is connected or not, because sometimes it can get disconnected, and yeah, so I have to stay as close as possible. So I gotta sit somewhere. Let's just alright. What? No, I'm not taking these now. Do I have to take these down?
It looked like bread at first, man.
I'm not ready yet. Just give me a couple minutes.
It's ready for you.
Just on your minutes. Just give me a couple minutes. That's what? What? I'm not doing anything. Yeah. No, I didn't do anything, I swear. Well, Mom, I'm doing something right now. Give me a minute. Mom, what's going on out there? Is there like a situation going on? Oh, it's not me, I swear. What is going on? Mom, I'm not. Okay, give me a minute, Mother. I'm trying to do some stuff right now. Give me a couple minutes. I'm almost ready. I'm not. I don't know what's going on. Look at my come on. Listen. Yes. No, I did not. Why would I put the speaker outside? Mom, I swear, there's like something going on out there. Mom, I'm serious. Alright. Mom, you gotta go out there and see what's going on. Like, there's something going on out there. I don't know what it is. What? Mom, just go out there and see what the problem is. It's not my speaker. Mom, if it was me, how would it be me? Okay, yes, it is me. Yeah, it is me, Mother. It is me. Haha. Got you. You actually thought there was something going on out there. Got it, guys. Alright, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. I'll see you next time. So, yeah.